Hi cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a mother dino and her child inspired by Sumikko Gurashi for Mother's Day. So let's get started. To draw this sweet drawing, we're going to first start by drawing the dino mom's head. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve for the top of her head. And then I'm just going to start to round it off and go down. And just bring it around. And as you come to the bottom, just kind of flatten it out a little bit. So that's the shape you're aiming for. Just kind of pop it out a tiny bit when you come to this, around this area, and then flatten it. Okay, so now I'm going to come over here and we're going to start to draw her neck. So I'm just going to continue this curve down. About there. And so then before we finish everything else, let's go back and bring her to life. So I'm going to come right in this area right here and draw a circle for her eye. So I'm going to attempt to make it a drastic cute eye. I know it's really small, so I'm just going to put two small circles here. Curve line and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. There, I got it in. And then I'm just going to give her a small little lash right there in that corner. And then a little curve right on top. And let's give her a smile right here. So under her eye, just come about right here. I'm just going to give her a sweet smile and cap it off. There, we got our mommy dino in. Now from there, let's come about right here and we're going to start to draw her neck. So about right there, we're going to come down with a curve. And we can just go ahead and finish this one off right here. Just continue it more. So now before we draw the rest of her body, let's come over here and we're going to draw, I think his name's Tokage, right? The dino's little child. So in this area, we're going to imagine her neck's here. So he's sitting on her back. So let's get really close to this curve and we're going to start and draw one big mound. So we're about right here. Just going to draw a really big mound, big curve for the head of this cute little baby. So big curve and then bring down a little bit. Right here, I'm just going to pop out a little hand. And then I'm going to continue that curve down for his tummy. Then I'm going to add a little foot. Another little curve. Okay, so let's come back to this side. We're going to draw his body. So we're going to come round. And so around where the foot is, let's come over here. Let's give him a bottom. And then right here, let's come out with a tail. So nice, soften it up. And just go ahead and connect it. There. So then let's come here and bring this cute little lizard to life. So I'm going to come right here. Let's see. Let's start with the mouth first. Come right here and draw two curves. Right there. Then the eyes right above. So they're just dots. Make it bigger, cuter, right? And if you want, you can add a little curve right underneath there. And then let's see here. Now we're missing the back right here, so I'm going to come right here and just give him some curves right here. Bring it in there on his tail, and then now we can go ahead and finish the mom right here. So I'm just going to tuck her neck right close to him. There, now we can finish that off. Okay, so then now let's come back over here and we're going to continue our curve. And so before we finish that part, let's come over here and draw her back. So right where his tail is, I'm going to come down. So I'm going to start her body. So I'm right here where his tail is. Let's come down. Curve it down. And let's see here. Bring down a little bit more. And now we can continue this side. So slowly build it step by step. And then right here, we're going to start to bring out her tail. And also curve it, round it off, and bring it in. So from there, let's come over on this tail area and finish the bottom. So I'm just going to continue this curve. And so about right there, I'm going to stop, and in this area, I'm going to draw one of the fins right here, the flipper. So I'm going to come right here, draw a curve, round it off, and bring it in. And then I'm just going to finish this curve, and then I'm going to imagine this going through. So about right here, it's going to pop right back up. So let's come over here. So we're just going to imagine this curve that's continuing. So I'm going to come down there, and then about in this area, I'm going to draw the other one and bring it down and in. So then now we can go ahead and continue it. So come down right there and connect there. And smooth out your curve. Okay, so then now I'm going to come right back up here and draw the plates on the back of the dinosaur right here. So right here, I'm just going to start with a bunch of curves all along her back and tail. So it gets smaller, just come down. And then I'm just going to add some up here. I just feel I needed something up here. So maybe I'll add 3. There. And now the drawing is basically done. So, oh, of course I have to add a heart right here. Almost forgot. Now it's my Joseki Sumikko Gurashi dinosaur mom, right? Okay, now the drawing is pretty much done, but let's add a bunch of stuff to make it a complete picture for Mother's Day. So I'm gonna come, let's see here, about right here. I'm gonna very lightly, I'm gonna draw some waves. So I'm gonna come about right here. I'm just gonna start one curve. I'm gonna go right across. So make it look like the dinosaurs in water. Right across. And then let's see here, we can add, let's add some fish, right? So I'm going to come right here and add a very simple little fish. And a tail. And an eye. And maybe a smaller one right here. Maybe going the opposite direction. It's all up to you. You can decorate this however you like. And let's add some bubbles. So some circles. Here and there. And let's see here, let's add a little bird right here. So we're gonna come about in this area. And it's just a curve, a very simple little Sumikko Gurashi bird. So it's like a little dumpling. Let's come right here. Draw a little mark for the head. 2 little eyes. And then a beak. And the wings right here. So just pop out 2 curves and the feet right here. And if you want, you can give it some movement, just add 2 lines so it looks like it's flying. There. So that is pretty much it, unless you want to add some hearts right here. Maybe I'll save that for later, we'll see. But now that we're pretty much done with the drawing, let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you love how this sweet little drawing turned out and it inspires you to draw it for this Mother's Day. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.